Hey everyone, it's Blighted Grounds, and in this video, I'll be sharing my top 5 platforms to earn money from referrals. Let's go! Number 1 is Chime. Chime is a fintech company that offers online banking services, but isn't technically a bank. They offer credit builder with no interest, overdrafts up to $200 fee-free, early pay with direct deposit, no minimum balance fees, no monthly fees, the ability to pay friends and family fee-free, and a 2% APY. You can earn money from Chime by both setting up a direct deposit and getting referrals. Right now, you can earn $100 by opening a new Chime account through my referral link in the description box below, then receiving a direct deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days. The person referring you may receive a $100 referral bonus as well, and the reward should be deposited into your account within 2 business days of meeting the conditions. Number 2, we have the Discover It card. This is a credit card issued primarily in the US that offers a wide variety of features, including 5% cash back on everyday purchases listed in the Cashback Rewards program and 1% cash back on all other spending, no annual fees, and generally gives a fairly high credit limit, but it may vary depending on your credit score. You can earn $50 to $100 in statement credit by opening a new account and making a purchase that posts to your account within 3 months of opening, which can take 8 weeks to receive. If qualifying, the person who referred you will earn $100 as well, and you can receive a max limit of $500 from referrals per year. And number 3 is Moneylion. Now, I've already done several videos on Moneylion, but still have to include it because of how versatile it is. Not to mention I've made more money from referrals through this app alone than any other platform combined so far. This is a fintech company / mobile banking app that offers a long list of helpful features such as credit builder, getting paid up to 2 days early cash back on spending with Shake and Bank, personal loans up to $50,000, Instacash up to $500 with no interest, and the ability to invest in both stocks and cryptocurrency. Right now, you can earn $5 to $10 from Moneylion by signing up with the referral code below and opening a new Roar Money account. Users must switch their direct deposits to Roar Money and set up a minimum of $100 recurring direct deposit 2 or more times within 60 days of creating your account to receive an additional $50 referral bonus. Rewards will be deposited into your Roar Money account within 14 days, and the referral bonus limit doesn't max out as far as I know, so you can earn a lot of money if you can just pull those referrals in. Number 4 is Plink. This is an investment app that offers stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and 4 cryptocurrencies. This platform is aimed more towards beginner-level investors, but I really like how easy it is to navigate and search for stocks by category. There are no complex charts or tables. It's designed in a way that's simple to follow with helpful tips and articles to guide you. You can open an account and begin investing with as little as $1. However, this is for US residents 18 and older. One unique feature allows users to redeem unwanted gift cards into cash they can invest. It also has 0 commission fees when you trade stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or crypto. You can currently earn $10 by opening a brokerage account and link your bank account, and a $25 bonus for every referral who signs up with your code, links an eligible bank account, and makes a minimum net deposit of at least $25 to their Plink brokerage account within 6 months. The $25 bonus will appear in your account within 30 calendar days. However, there is a limit of 10 referral bonuses over the promotional period. And number 5 is Itoro. This is a social trading and multi-asset investment company that focuses on providing financial services. They currently offer over 5,000 assets that include spot Bitcoin ETFs, stocks, and crypto. The setup is basic but straightforward and simple to use, with a 0% fee when trading stocks, ETFs, and options, and a 1% trading fee for crypto. The Itoro newsfeed operates like a social network, connecting you with more than 30 million users from over 100 countries who can interact, share videos, and talk strategies with. Right now, there is a $10 crypto sign-up bonus for eligible users, which should be able to choose between 9 different assets. The referral program offers a $30 reward for both you and the user you referred if they deposit at least $100. But you have to have made an initial deposit to your trading account to qualify. The good news is, there's no minimum deposit amount required to receive the deposit bonus. Unfortunately, this is also only eligible for US citizens. I hope this helps you rake in some referral money, and if you're interested in affiliate marketing, crypto, or investing, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date on future content. And if you have any questions, be sure to hit me up in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, save that money.